What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's May. You guys might recognize him from the last video or this another video, and I'll put it up right here. But his name's Tithy.
How's it going, guys? It's Tithy here.
Right.
Tell them what we're doing today.
So today we have a special episode for you guys. We are going to be interviewing him and how he made over $5,000 in one day trading Forex. Trading what? What is it?
Trading gold.
All right, we're gonna dive right into it.
Let's get back to it.
So I have a list of questions and I'm gonna ask him. The first question is, what is Forex? For the people who don't know, what is Forex and how do you make money off of it?
So Forex is very similar to the stock market. It's the same way how you would trade the stock market. Forex is, for those of you guys don't know, it's $1 trillion market. It's foreign exchange. So basically, we trade currency against U.S. dollars. To put it like the simplest terms I can make it, you basically bet on the on it going up or down.
Right.
On like versus U.S. dollars. So and you make money when you're right. That's that.
Right.
Right. You basically analyze charts. You bet on it going up or down, and you make money when you're right.
So basically, it's the currency exchange between, like, let's say gold and U.S. dollars.
Yes, that's exactly
if the like U.S. dollar is like going down, gold might be going up.
Exactly.
And vice versa, obviously.
Vice versa.
You can obviously trade like U.S. like currency, like Australian
dollar,
euros,
Canadian dollars,
right?
Euro. Yeah, let's go on, honestly.
Okay. So next question. How old are you, and when did you get into Forex?
I am 18 years old. I got into Forex about almost more than half a year now. Almost a year now.
Right.
I got into Forex the second I came back from Cambodia, so like maybe almost a year. Yeah, almost a year. But I wasn't profitable until like maybe three months into trading. Yes.
3 months
into trading Forex.
So when was this? Like,
this was,
as of recording this, it's August. It's August 5th. And,
so about like three months ago, so it's still very recent that I'm in profit. Yeah. I'm able to profit out of Forex.
All right. So next question, we have how much money have you made, and what do you trade?
So before telling you guys how much money I've made, I trade gold. I trade gold versus USD, so gold versus US dollar. Basically every day I analyze the chart. It takes me like about an hour or two to analyze the chart. I read the news. I just check out on different websites, and then I do some analyzing, and then I trade with the same capital every time. I trade with $600 plus 300 credit with FX Lawyer, so I trade with $900, and $900 will be able to make me about $1 to $2K a day.
Okay.
Or I will lose the whole $900. Or $600 basically.
Can you explain for the people at home who don't know what shorting is?
Shorting is selling. Shorting is when you're betting on something going down.
Right.
So when the chart's going down and you're selling right here and chart's going here, you're making money. I mean, depending on how much you put in, of course.
Okay, I'm gonna pretend like throughout this whole video, I'm gonna pretend like I knew nothing about trading, just so like you guys will be in my position.
Okay.
Obviously, I know what shorting is, but for now, I don't.
Right.
So you're telling us you can either double your money,
right,
using $900 to make roughly 1K.
1K, yeah.
Or you could obviously lose the whole account,
which is $600. Your initial investment is $600. Okay. That's the way I would trade. Because I've been profitable, so that just means that if I have one loss this whole entire week and I win 5 times, then I'm still up 4K.
Right.
Because every time I trade, I would make withdrawal and I start right back to $900. I mean, I made 1K, take that 1K out, so we start right back.
So, key advice to everyone at home, when you make money trading, there is a certain time point where you would withdraw your profits instead of keeping it into the account and trading with it. Like, let's say you make like 10K in 1 week and you don't realize how much that is, and you might just keep it in there and trade. You might lose the whole account.
I had a friend who we trade together all the time. He has a different method of trading, basically. He was going like very consistent. The whole week he was 5-0 so he was up like 20K, and he had the mentality of, if I can make 1K from $500, then I can make 10K. I mean 100K from $20,000. That's not the mentality you want as a beginner. I mean, obviously you can do that when you're generating a lot of like more capital and more profit. Then yeah, you definitely could do that. But for now, just try to like take it consistently first until you have enough profit to lose. You know what I mean? Because he went 5-0, and then it took him one trade to lose the whole entire 5 wins. So it's a really bad risk management method. So yeah.
Okay, so a question that I'm sure everyone at home is wondering is, let's say they only have $50, $100, $200, right? They don't have $1,000 to trade with. How much do you think they can make a day? What should their goal be a day?
So their goals should, honestly, when you first start trading, never invest money that you can't afford to lose. That's like the #1 Forex rule, because any trader will tell you
that's
this. That's any trading rule,
trading
right?
stock, Forex, anything where you have to invest to leverage your money up. You obviously can lose it. It's not guaranteed.
And you have to realize that you can lose it.
Yep.
Nothing is ever guaranteed in the market.
So how much do you think they can make using $50, $100?
$50, $100. I have clients who have made that to like $500 in a week, or even in a day. Like I've actually made $1,000 from $36 account. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it. I had $36 in their account left, and I made $1,000 in one day. That's only because we had such a good setup and such a good trade in that day. You know, that never happened every day.
For everyone who doesn't know, if you invest in a savings account and you put your money into a bank, you might only get like 1%, 2% a year, right? Now, if you trade, you invest in the stocks, Forex, for example, you can obviously leverage your money to a point where it doubles, triples, quadruples in a week, a day. So that's just to show you guys how much money Tithy's making and how much money Forex traders, stock traders are making. So let's move on to the next question. If you could go back in time and tell yourself something about trading Forex that you maybe made a mistake about, or what would you change and tell your younger self? What would it be?
So my younger self would be a couple months ago, not even, because I haven't been trading for a long time. But this is actually a really good question. Yeah, this is actually a really good question.
I mean, if you guys don't know, we're obviously 18.
We're obviously 18, so we're still young, I guess.
Maybe we should start the video off saying we're like 20.
And then if I can go back to when I was 18, what would I tell myself right now?
Yeah, what would you?
So I would say risk small when you're first starting up, because when I first started up, I didn't have a lot of money. I basically kind of wiped out my whole bank account. It was very sad, very stressful. There's a lot of emotion going on in the market, and I basically lost everything, and it was just. It's like you hit like rock bottom and you just don't know how to get back up, and you feel like if you keep going, you either just keep losing or you can bounce back up, and it's not the right mentality. What I did was what I should have done was invest small capital while I'm starting up, because honestly I didn't have a clear strategy. Okay. 1, 2, I was not emotionally ready for
that's a big one.
Yeah, emotion is very big. Yeah.
As a beginner trader, the biggest obstacle is gonna be your emotion. Emotions like greed, fear, and just like greed is obviously the biggest one, because if you get too greedy, you obviously you don't realize how much you could lose. You get blinded by all the money, all the profits.
Yep.
Greed might teach you a few things when you lose money, but hey,
I feel like
even us to this day, we're still learning.
Yeah,
that's how bad of an obstacle emotions is, that it takes, I'm sure, years for people to kind of overcome and master their emotions. I'm sure if you keep grinding, you keep going at it, I'm sure we'll eventually get to a point where you trade with complete money. There's no emotions. It's just you put money in, you get money out. That's hopefully the goal one day.
Yeah, I feel like people listening to this is this. That doesn't sound like a legit problem, but yeah, it really is. It really is.
Yeah, when I don't think people understand the feel. At least some people who don't trade, they don't understand the feeling of fear of losing money that you could have maybe spent it somewhere else or invested it somewhere else. It's just honestly your money just disappears.
It's the what if that messes me.
Yeah, it's always the what ifs.
What if? What could have happened?
So basically, go back in time, trade smaller account.
Trade smaller account.
Take your time.
Take my time.
Honestly, rushing. You obviously if you trade with a bigger account, that's basically rushing. You're just rushing into get rich quick.
Get rich quick. That never happened. I'm telling you right now. Trading is by far the only thing that I know that can probably get you rich quick, but still, Like, no, that's actually really bad too. Like for a beginner trader to make more than they should have to get lucky, it's very dangerous.
Beginner's luck.
Beginner's luck is very dangerous. I had beginner's luck when I started.
I had beginner's luck. I made so much money my first few weeks of trading stocks, at least. We can get into that video for another day. Actually, I have a couple of videos talking about that. If you guys want to check it out. Boop boop boop. Let's wrap it up.
Right.
Do you have any final advice to people who want to get into Forex and people who are like they're kind of scared, they don't know where to start, you know? Like everyone wants to say they want to start something, but a lot of people need a direction. Where would you point them?
Obviously, you can always, I'm like very small still. I run like a small signal. You can always like message me on Instagram. But if you're serious about Forex,
we can't forget about your YouTube channel now.
And my YouTube channel, obviously, yeah. But yeah, to get started in Forex, I wouldn't suggest investing more than even $50 because like my brokerage itself, I don't know about other brokerages, allows you to get 50% credit, so it's already you get free 50% of whatever you want to deposit. And
so for people who obviously don't know what that is.
Oh, don't know what credit is. I am talking like they know what I'm talking about.
What is credit, man? I don't know what credit is.
Credit is like free money, basically. It's the money per se.
Free, like you get it and you get to spend it?
You don't get to spend it.
Is it your money or their money?
So it's like free leverage. Per se,
what is leverage?
Deposit $100 into an account and then they give you $50 free credit. Doesn't mean you can spend the $50.
So it's still my money. But they're just giving it to me for now to use.
Yeah, for you to use.
So but they're not giving me free money.
No, they're giving you free credit. So like it's not actually money.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just like a credit in the account. When you can't withdraw the credit, but you can play with the credit as money.
Oh.
So yeah, but starting up, I was do research. Definitely do research. Oh my god, and
diligent
research, and just message me. And I have like a whole manual for people who are getting started up now. I created one because people kept asking me the same question over and over again. But I don't want to say like I'm promoting my signals, but it's good to have guidance.
Hey man, he's the #2 signal outperformer of all, like, what is
500.
it?
They have 500.
Out of 500 people, he's #2 in consistency and profits for his clients, where they follow his signals. So basically, if you guys don't know what a signal is he signals a position to get in, and he signals a position to get out, and you basically pay monthly for it. If you guys are interested in that, you guys can always DM him for his signals, and also check out his YouTube channel. What is it? I'm gonna put it up. Just say it.
And just my Instagram is also the same thing.
Yep. You guys can find the links below. If you guys are really interested in Forex, his DMs are open for now. You know, there's a lot of famous people. If you DM them, they won't even open it. But check him out. He'll open it.
And I'm very genuine with, like, I will not tell you that this is a guaranteed thing, because it's not. It's really not. Like, you go in my Telegram, you'll see like the history that like you'll see a lot of wins, but there's gonna be losses too. But like that's just how it is. I try to make it like as
real as 100
as 100 as possible.
Alright, let's wrap the video up because my camera's about to die soon, so
I see it. It's red.
Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the interview with Tithy, make sure to hit him up and click subscribe. Click the like button.
Yeah, smash that like button for that YouTube algorithm, you know what I mean?
And if you guys want more videos like this, comment below. Let me know.
Yeah.
Till next time, y'all. Peace out.